In this video, we are going to discuss the circumference of circle and area of circle. So let's see what is meant by circumference. If we talk about any two-dimensional figure, so circle is the plane surface. Okay, so every two-dimensional figure or every plane surface has a perimeter. Both terms are there. First is perimeter and second one is area. So what is perimeter and what is area? So if we talk about the circumference is nothing but the perimeter of the circle. So what is the perimeter of circle? The outer line. The circle outer line is called as a circumference or perimeter. For example, this is a straight line and I convert this straight line in this circle. Okay, so how long is this line is the perimeter of circle. Okay, circumference, that we can call circumference of circle. And what is the formula to find the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula to find the perimeter or the circumference of circle. R stands for radius. R stands for radius of circle. Now let's see area. If we talk about area of circle, area shows the inner total area. How much area covered by that plane is called as area of the circle. And how we can find the area of circle? Area is equals to pi r square. R is nothing but again the radius of circle. Okay, and pi is having a fixed value. Pi is equals to 3.14. It is a fixed value of pi. So perimeter or circumference of circle is the outer side is the perimeter and the inner surface area covered by the plane is called as area of the circle. Formula are circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r and area of circle is equals to pi r square. Here is another important point related to circle. Suppose we are having a circle with a center O. Okay, and we are going to discuss the position of points with respect to circle. So this is the circle if we are having, and we are going to understand the position of points. If we draw, this is the radius of circle R. Okay, if we draw one point outside the circle, that is, let's say that's point A. Okay, if we draw some point inside the circle, let's say this point is B, and if we draw point on the circle, let's say this point is C. Okay, so we draw 3 points. First one is outside the circle, second one is inside the circle, and third one is on the circle. Okay, so if I connect this center with this exterior point and the outside is called as exterior. Outside is called as exterior point. Exterior point A. If I connect this OA, then I can conclude that OA is greater than OR. Means outside point distance is always greater than radius. So OA is greater than R. Okay, if I draw this interior, if I connect this interior point with center, and inside point is called as interior point. Inside point is nothing but a interior point. If I connect center with an interior point, then I can say OB is less than R, because R is greater than this OB distance. Okay, third point is on the circle. If I draw this center and is on the circle point, then this is again equal to R, right? OC and OR are the equal distance. So I can write that OC is equal to R. So what we conclude from that? If the point is outside the circle, that is greater than R. If the point is inside the circle, that is less than r, and if the point is on the circle, then that is equal to r. R is nothing but the radius of circle. Now let's understand what is concentric circle. So if we talk about concentric, the concentric says that the circle having same center. Let's say, suppose this is center O, and if we draw a circle, this circle, then again this circle, then again this circle. Okay, so center for all these circles are same. Center O is same for all these circles, and if three centers having three or more, than how many circles are there, that is depend, but all the circle is having same center, then all these circles are called concentric circle. Concentric circles means same center, all the circles have a same center. This is called concentric circle.